How to animate logo with AI for free. Go to Google and search for Google Flow. Click on the official link. Then click on new project. Upload the static file or image. Make sure agent mode is not selected. Click on plus icon and select the image. Now add the prompt. You can get this prompt in the description below. Here we can select 16:9 or 9:16. Make sure Omni Flash model is selected. Here we can choose the number of seconds and then click on this button. Now play the video. As you can see, the result is amazing. You can simply download it from here. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.